All right, for those that don't know, it's your boy Angelo Savage. Make sure you subscribe. But we got an important situation. It seems like the boy Bill Gates has removed all of his stocks from Microsoft, all that was left, which is kind of iffy. I'm wondering, and in my situation, I'm kind of thinking like, what happened for you to pull everything out? Like, you're selling, and this is a company that you created. That means you own no more of this company. G. I don't know if he's some type of chairman of the company or whatever, or he has a say in the company, but he literally has removed all his shares in the company, which was about how many shares? I think of 7.7 million shares of Microsoft. Let's see, let me get a little quick. Microsoft generated 181 billion in trailing revenue and 149 billion in operating income. Is growing at a double-digit pace and unique competitive advantages in AI infrastructures through the entrenched enterprise ecosystem. For those that don't know, also they also invested into Copilot, and Copilot was a flop. I heard that's their AI that helps with emails and stuff like that. They should have just changed around it a little bit and made it more like an ecosystem because they could have did something with it. The Bill Gates Foundation Trust exited its final position. It's not just the Bill Gates Foundation; it's the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Don't get it twisted now. Even though they're divorced, they were still one entity. When it come to when they made that little foundation, or whatever, because she divorced him in 2021. They actually the final position by selling all remaining shares after reducing holding from oh, they had 28.5 million to zero shares. Damn. A move driven by portfolio diversification, evaluation, optimization. God damn, it's a lot of words, boy. Funding obligations rather than a confident loss. So basically, he has sold, based on this, 28.5 million shares to zero shares. Damn, that's crazy. Whoever wrote this article, Yahoo Finance, you suck. I'm just gonna let you know because I've seen better ones. I just happened to just click on this one. Um, anyway, they said it's for because he believes that the company is going to drop. Now, he believed that the company was going to drop. At the same time, I actually went to go see about the stocks of Microsoft when that happened. So today's stocks today was up by 3%, and they were up actually 9%. It was like 8-9%, and then it dipped back to like 3 total. So that's when, because the market's go over now, it crashed. But he's saying that the market is going to crash even more. But if you look on this chart right here, all right, if you look over to this chart, Microsoft, he took his money out about 24 hours ago. So that was about yesterday. So today is Saturday. Well, going on Sunday, but he took his money out Friday before the market crashed. But look what the market did on Friday, because today's the 27th. So he took his out on the 15th. He took his money out on the 15th. It depends on the 15th what time he took it out because it climbed. And I wonder if he took it out in the morning, because if he took his money out like in the morning, it was at 4:08, and then after he probably took it out, shit hit because the market's been closed. It's the weekend actually. Now that I think about it, he took his money out, boy. I wonder if he took it out late and then that bitch started to plummet, but or did he take it out before it started to rise? So it looks like the company's still doing good. It actually is doing better than when he just took it out. So which is kind of funny. But he was projecting that the company was not going to do good at all, and it's gonna go down lower, which is weird because this is a company that you started, so you don't have faith in the company that you originally started. I know you're not the CEO anymore, but you are the founder, which is kind of crazy in a way. And this led me to believe what is actually going on with Bill Gates. I think that there is something that was discovered. Yes. And I say that to say that I think some information was discovered about Bill Gates that might be detrimental to his character in the sales of Microsoft. So he pulled his money out to deassociate himself from Microsoft itself because he knows once that information comes out, he might go down. He might bring Microsoft down with him because that's the way people understand. And And for the people that don't really understand this concept as well, his name was mentioned multiple times on Epstein's files. Now I know a lot of people look over and everything, but he was very involved. At the time that this was all being discovered, that's around the time him and Melinda was getting divorced. She had a lot to say about that. But in this concept, I'm really thinking like, why did he pull his money out? And not he didn't pull out just a little. He pulled them all out. So he has no shares into Microsoft right now to diversify it. But then as soon as he does that, the Microsoft goes up. So as he's predicting that it's going to drop another 30% at least, it just went up like 3 to 5%. This is a little, I think it has something to do with his personal life and what might be discovered, or, and this is a rumor, so I got to say allegedly because I'm a content creator and I can't say definitely. This allegedly he was, and there's slight proof of this, but allegedly he sparked the whole COVID thing, and I think that they might be trying to spark the new virus, G, and take us out. This is a controversy. This is a conspiracy theory. So I'm just spreading this. This is a conspiracy theory. So allegedly, he might be taking his money out because he's ready to spread the next virus in this motherfucker. G, I'm trying to tell y'all. No. Tell me I'm reaching, G. Tell me I'm reaching. I don't think I'm reaching. I don't think I'm reaching. I think he finna start the new virus, G, and he taking his money out because he about to put his shit in a different currency. Because why would you take all your shares out of Microsoft? That's not even sensible. You know what I'm saying? Like, why would you take everything out? Based on Yahoo Finance, he had 28.5 million shares. You take them all out, bro. Something happening. He finna, when billionaires take it. That's the same thing with Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett, he changed CEOs and he took majority of his money out. Let me look at this because I know Warren Buffett did the same thing. Sorry, Warren Buffett. Sell stocks. How much? Let's see. What did it tell me? You know, edit a new Gemini help you. Warren Buffett Company, Berkshire Hathaway sold roughly $24.09 billion worth of stocks in the first quarter while purchasing about $15.94 billion. Oh, I see what he did. See, that nigga so smart. Warren Buffett, that nigga intelligent, right? What he did, he sold his stocks off at the low, knowing that bitch finna climb back up, and as soon as it climb, he sold it at the high. When it dropped back down, because he knew it was gonna drop, he bought it back again. Made a little money, you know me. But I heard he took a lot of money out when he retired, because he retired now, and they're down. Well, it's closed now. They can't even do nothing. But the market, you can still see the market move around while the weekend is going, I believe. Anyway, back to the man at the hour, Bill Gates. Is a conspiracy. The boy might be, you feel me, over there getting back massages by them. You hear me? Can't say that now but y'all know what I'm talking about now. And I think he doing something with that money. Like, when y'all need to pay attention in the markets, because we might be a little fish in this situation, but what's going on is that our money's being moved around. Like, you're a shareholder of the company if you're buying little shares of the company, but you need to be following why they're moving their money, because you might be a little fish to the big dogs, but still, you need to understand why this person is doing this. Why is this billionaire taking his money out? Why is this billionaire taking his money out? Like, and then that's what I do. I kind of follow what the billionaires are doing. I'm like, all right, this man is investing in like Google or ABC. They Alphabet, they're invested into AI, which is the Gemini, and they're doing great at the Gemini. And then you got other shit like, okay, this Microsoft has invested a lot into what's that shit called? OpenAI. They're gonna lose their investment, bro. Everybody know that they're gonna crash eventually. They literally gonna crash eventually. So I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think about that in the comments section. It's just iffy. I try to see what billionaires are doing with their money. I definitely don't trust Bill Gates, bro. If y'all don't trust nobody, don't trust Bill Gates. like the shit that I've seen that been released from the like Epstein file stuff, like, and it ain't about the kids and shit. This is about this nigga's trying to cause a mayhem in the world, population control. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like this shit is like beyond us. Like it's almost scary. it's almost scary because what they was trying to do, they trying to kill. You know what I'm saying? I want people to refer this, and this is, I don't know why I do this, but I always refer this type of information to that one episode of um, American Horror Story, season 6, I think, with the devil. Gee, what happened? Motherfucker got the sickness. Um, then the devil took over. Whatever. Everybody died off, bro. This is some shit like that for real. I don't know. Like, this the type of shit I be getting from the billionaire shit. I don't know. It's your boy Angelo Savage, man. Tell me what y'all think in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.